Vita Multifunction CT for Pets Operation Guide. Instrument Power-Up. Turn on the workstation power switch. Turn on the synchronization box power switch. Turn on the boat switch. Turn on the power switch. Turn emergency switch clockwise. Press the reset button. Instrument reset to initial state. Button functions. Press the forward button. The C-arm rotates clockwise. Press the reverse button. The C-arm rotates counterclockwise. Press the up button. The carbon fiber bed plate rises. Press the down button. The carbon fiber bed plate descends. Press the object sensor button. The object sensor indicator lights up. Before taking pictures, please place your pet directly under the C-arm camera. Adjust the height of the carbon fiber bedpan so that the cursor of the object sensor is aligned with the center of the object. Static and dynamic DR mode. Double-click to open DR software. No password by default. Carbon fiber bed plate is automatically lowered to the lowest point. Carbon fiber bed plate can be rotated 90 degrees according to need. Warm tips. Carbon fiber bed plate must be in 0 degrees or plus or minus 90 degrees state. The instrument can work normally, otherwise it will report errors. Position the pendulum and the subject in the appropriate position above the carbon fiber bed plate. Normal shooting can be carried out. After shooting, press the reset button. The instrument is automatically reset to the initial state. Standing mode. Manually reset the carbon fiber bed plate to 0 degrees. Click on the standing position icon in the software interface. Rotating arm automatically rotates 90 degrees. Carbon fiber bedpan rises to its highest point. Place the pendulum and the subject. Normal shooting can be carried out. Press the reset button to reset the instrument after shooting is completed. C-arm mode. First, press the reset button to reset the rotary arm to 0 degrees. Press the forward button to rotate the arm to about 45 degrees. Place the pendulum and the subject. Normal shooting can be carried out. Press the reset button to reset the instrument after shooting is completed. DR mode software operation. Double-click to open the DR software. Enter the login interface. No password by default. After login, the rack control window will pop up. You can adjust the shooting mode, lift and rotate, etc. according to your needs. Select registration options. Orange text on the left side of the registration interface are required fields. If left blank, you can't proceed to the next steps. In the center of the interface, there are diagrams of dogs and cats. Click on the corresponding parts. The right side of the software will show the corresponding items to be photographed. Double-click on the left mouse button to select the item to be photographed. Click on the down arrow to select the corresponding item. Click the red button on the right side or the up arrow to delete the corresponding item. Click on the shooting button to start shooting. Introduction to the function of the filming interface. On the left is a thumbnail image of the position. Positioning can be done according to the prompts in the picture. The icon in the center is for switching between standing and lying positions. When you click on the standing position, the rotating arm will rotate 90 degrees. Clicking on the arm again will return it to 0 degrees. The right side is the Common Tools. Mouse over the icon will pop up the corresponding prompts. Image Processing Interface Features. All tools are located on the right side of the interface, such as turn left, turn right, flip horizontally, flip vertically, zoom in and out, etc. Left mouse button to move the image. Scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Right mouse button press and hold. Drag up and down to adjust the brightness of the image. Drag left and right to adjust the contrast. Measurement tool to measure angle, distance, etc. Follow the prompts. Next is the marking tool. Left marker, right marker, text marker, etc. Selected markers can be deleted by pressing the Delete key on the keyboard. Motion pictures can be viewed as video or single-frame images by clicking the corresponding button below the toolbar. Next, we will introduce the other functions of the software. Click on Checklist to view the most recent cases. Left mouse button to select a case. Right-click to view all functions. You can follow the text prompts to carry out the corresponding operation. Enter the printing interface. Double-click or click the right arrow icon. You can zoom in to preview the picture. Right side can choose the desired print format, such as 2 at a time, 3 at a time, etc. On the right side, you can select the printer. Above is the customized print function. Click on Burn CD to export the image. The file path has been preset. Click Execute to export images to the appropriate directory. Select a case and go to the processing screen. Click Report in the lower right corner. You can edit and modify the report. We recommend using the 6 graphic report template for printing templates. CT scanning mode. Open the CT software on the desktop. Eject the control program of the rack. Carbon fiber bedplate automatically rises to the highest point. Enter the username admin and password admin. Click on New Case in the upper right corner. The software will automatically generate a PET number. Name is required. After inputting, select the position on the right side. Then enter your pet's information as needed. Select the position. Click Start Scanning. You will need to prepare your pet for anesthesia and respiratory depression prior to scanning. If imaging is available, a high-pressure syringe pump will be needed. Check to see if the pet is under anesthesia. CT reading function. Select the item to be read. Right-click Select Reading to enter the reading interface. Left mouse button to adjust the position. Hold down the right mouse button, drag up to zoom in and down to zoom out. Hold down the middle mouse button and drag to adjust the window width and position. Mouse wheel can fine-tune the position of the picture. Right side is the toolbar. Mouse on the icon will pop up the corresponding text prompts. Below is the measurement tool. Left-click to start drawing, right-click to end drawing. Text input. Click once to generate a text box. Click again to select the text box to enter the text. Enter to confirm. Delete button will delete all markers with one click. If you only need to delete a single mark, you can select the corresponding markers and then press the delete button on the keyboard. In the lower right corner of the view, you can see vascular reconstruction, bone reconstruction, skin reconstruction, and so on. Click the Reset button to reset the instrument to its original state after shooting.